Okay, let's try this again. This is hopefully this is recording. This is the tool I got from Walmart. It's the Campbell Hospital 3/8 reversible air drill. They had them on clearance for $9. Might go get another one today. I'm not quite sure. But let me get up, go outside, and see how well it does in the sunlight. Sorry for the shaky cam and moving a little slow or fast or however it comes out. Here's my Mustang all covered up. The sun's out, but they're calling for rain today. Isn't that peachy? There's my Expedition. There's one of my son's Dodge truck. Yeah, I don't know about this whole thing. Maybe I should save my money and buy a better one. But I figure for $18, what could it hurt? Hey Tony, this is that Mustang I was telling you about. Kind of give you an idea. I can't step off the porch. I'm barefooted and I'm being a diabetic. And here's my house guard dog. She's part Border Collie and part Great Pyrenees. Little dog, but she weighs like 65 pounds and she barks at everything that don't move, including me.